guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids, and I have Brianna with me today, and we want to show you how to do braids into braided buns. So if you could just lower your head down and I'll spin you. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started. I started off by having the hair split down the middle, and then from temple to the crown on both sides, and the rest of the hair is tied in ponytails. Now brush your front sections, and I'm also going to spray some water to keep flyaways at bay. And now with the comb, I'm picking a point somewhere in the middle of our middle part line and going from there to the temple, and secure the rest of the hair out of the way for now with the hair clip. And I'm going to repeat the same part line on the other side. Now take your new section, brush it out. I'm going to spray a bit of a spray gel just to keep that hair nice and neat, and tie it together with an elastic. Now making another part line going from the bottom right corner to the top middle section where our elastic lays, and I'm securing that section out of the way right now with the hair clip, and repeating the same part line on the other side, putting the bottom section out of the way for now. Now split your ponytail in half, and I'm going to split it to 3 equal strands, and put your left strand under the middle, and right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it under the middle. So we are making a lace braid, adding hair only on our right side, and I'm making sure that my braid lies on the part line. Continue picking up the hair, and once you've picked up all the hair, continue braiding until the braid is long enough to reach the ponytail, and secure it with an elastic. We are repeating the same braid on the other side, so split your ponytail to 3 equal strands and cross your right strand under the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it under the middle. So notice when you were braiding the other side, you were adding hair to your right strand. Here we are adding hair to the left strand. I'm also keeping my braid on the part line, so continue picking up the hair, and once you're done, make the braid long enough to reach ponytail and secure with an elastic. Now let the bottom section out of the hair clip, and I'm making another lace braid, taking a small section of the hair and crossing my left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle, and right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. And I want this braid to touch the braid next to it, so this way you don't see part line between them. So continue adding hair only on your right side, and once again when you've picked up all the hair, make the braid long enough to reach the ponytail and secure it with an elastic in the end. Repeating the same lace braid on the other other side, but now we will be adding hair to the left strand, and make sure that the braid lies close to the one next to it so we don't see that part line. And once you've picked up all the hair, once again make the braid long enough to reach the ponytail and secure it with an elastic.
Sunflower, you're mine. Sunflower.
Now I'm attaching both braids to the ponytail with an elastic, and the same on the other side. I'm making a simple French braid out of the both ponytails, and now I will roll the braid into a bun and tucking the ends of the hair under the bun and securing it with bobby pin. And I will repeat the same thing on the other side. Let's do a final spin. And just lower it and show the front. There you go. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe, and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being released. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down in the description box below, and we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!